Students of class 6, in the previous class we had begun with decimals, chapter 6, exercise 6.1, and up to question number 3 we had discussed and done. Now the fourth one, question number 4. I will be explaining and doing a few questions, and rest you will try yourself and submit in PDF format in the classwork section. Okay, write the following as decimal numbers. Number A, 0.125. So that is very simple. 0.1 tenth to 100th and 5,000th. So that is 0.125. Next, B, 20 and 8 hundredths. So 20 and, so this is the whole number part. 20 and is for point, and 8 in the 100th place. So point 10th place, we have nothing here. So tenths, okay, first place after point is the 10th place, that there will put 0, and in the 100th place will be 8. So this is 20.08 or 20 and 8 hundredths. Number C, 5 thousandths. Directly you have 5 thousandths. So there is nothing on the whole number part. So 0 point in the fractional side, that means decimal side, 5 in the thousandths place. As I said, after point 10th, 100th, 1000th. So 5 is in the thousand place. So this will be called 0.005 as 5 thousandths. Now number 5. Which of the following are like decimals? Now these were the decimal numbers. See, some of them have only one digit after point. Some have 2 digits after point. Some have 3 digits after point. Okay, so those which have 1 digit after point, they are one set of like fractions, like decimals. Those which have 2 digits after the point, they are the second set of like decimals. And those which have 3 digits after point, they are the third set of like decimals. Okay, so when we have the equal number of digits after point, then we say they are like decimals. If they are not, then we may or we can make them like decimals by putting zeros as per the required number of zeros, so that others, all of them have the same number of digits after the point. Okay, so number 1 set of like decimals, 4.5 and 7.8, because you don't have to see before the point, you have to see after the point. So 1 digit after point, here also 1 digit after point. So they are one set of like decimals. Next set of like decimals, 8.68, 0.89 and 6.01. So all of them have 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits after the point. So they are the second set of like decimals. Now third set of like decimals here are 97.102 and 3.679, because they have 3 digits or 3 places after point. Here also 3 places after point. Now let's see question number 6. Is your question number 6. Convert the following to like decimals. So as we discussed in the previous question, when they have the equal number of places after point, we call them like decimals. Now you see, in this question number A, the first decimal number has 3 places after point, but the second one has only 1 place after point. So what we do, we will put 2 more zeros here. So these 2 will have 3 places after point. Then they will become like fractions. So in the answer, this is 3.404 the other one also 761.300. It was only up to first place. We will put now 2 more zeros, then they become 3 places after point, 3 places after point, so they are now like decimals. So what you have to do, simply put the zeros at the end. We cannot put zeros in between, okay, only at the end. Number 7, express as a decimal number. So first one, 23 plus 4 plus 3 by 8. So we know 23 plus 4 will be 27, okay, and then 3 by 8. Now 3 by 8, it is a fraction, improper fraction, but we'll have to make them decimal fraction. Now for decimal fraction, denominator should be 10 or 100 or 1000. So we write it 27 plus 3 by 8 inside the bracket, then multiply with something so that the denominator becomes 10 or 100 or 1000. So you should remember that in the table of 8 multiplied with something, you will not get 10, because even 8 2 times will be 16. So 10 not possible. Now 100, if you think in the table of 8 you don't get 100 also, but 1000 you can get. How many times? 8 125 times is 1000. So with that 125 will multiply the numerator also 3 into 125. We get 375. Okay, so 375 by 1000. That means now 27 plus 375 by 1000. Okay, the value of whole thing became 375 by 1000. Now we know when denominators are 10 or 100 or 1000, it's very easy to put the point. So here are 3 zeros, point will shift 3 place back, so it will be immediately after 3 here, it will become 0.375. So 27 plus 0.375, if you add on the rough side, 27 plus 0.375. So 27 is 27.000 and 0.375. Add them, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 0, 7, 3 plus 0, 3, point comes down, 7 plus 0, 7 and 2 plus nothing 2, 27.375. So this is the decimal number that we got. We were asked express as a decimal number. Finally you got the decimal number. Only thing is that fractional part you have to convert in the decimal fraction. Now number 8, question number 8, write the following decimal numbers as fractions in their simplest form. So that means first make this decimal, convert this decimal into fraction, and then cancel the fraction and write that in the simplest form. So 12.16 or 12.16, okay, 12.16 or 12.16 hundredths. So this means whole number part is 12. Okay, this is just like mixed fraction. This is before the point is the whole number and after the point is the fractional part. So it is 12 whole, 16 by 100, because 16 means is covering up to 100 place. So 12 plus 16 by 100. Now by 4 if you cancel, you get 4 times is 16 and 4 25 times is 100. Now 4 and 25 we cannot cancel more, so they are in the lowest term. So therefore final answer 12 whole 4 by 25. 12 whole 4 by 25 is the final answer. Okay, so now a few of these questions I have shown you how to do, and the others, the remaining ones of question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you will be doing yourself and submit in the classwork section in PDF form. Okay, thank you class for today.